Hello everyone, and in this video gonna talk about how to take the screenshot in Windows 7 in the easiest way. I just found out the easiest way, at least for me, to take the screenshots in the Windows 7. Okay, what do you need to do for that? You have to write screenshot.net. It is an online website where you can take the screenshots and capture, and you can do a lot with it, but I only use it for the screenshot. So let's go for the screenshot.net. Now what you need to do here, first you have to download the launcher file of this screenshot. Okay, you have to download this first, then you have to obviously install it on your computer. Download the launcher. I have already downloaded this, so I just gonna install it directly. So okay, it was the really easy installation process, nothing much. Now you have that the menu for taking the screenshots. Okay, you can easily take the screenshot with the help of this. All right, this is your screenshot. You can save it here, and that's it. All right, whenever you want to take a snapshot, what you need to do here is to click here, take snapshot, and open this launcher. Then bingo, it's done. Nothing more, nothing less. Alright, so this is all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.